Hi guys, the preparation for class today is all about asking questions. Can you remember this information about me? Do I do yoga? Do I have dinner at 8:30? Do I live in Vigo? Does my dog jump well? Let's look at the answers. Do I do yoga? Yes, I do. Do I have dinner at 8:30? No, I don't. Do I live in Vigo? No, I don't. And does my dog jump well? Yes, she does. Look at the questions. What do they all have in common? Did you notice that they all have an auxiliary? Do or does? And they all have a subject. I, my dog. And the subject is followed by the verb. This is a kind of formula. We use the auxiliary plus the subject plus the infinitive of the verb to make a question. Now look at the answers. What do all the answers have in common? Yes, they all have the auxiliary. Do, don't, or does. In the short answer, we must repeat the auxiliary. Does my dog jump well? Yes, she does. Did you notice that the question about Sunny is different? We must use does because we're talking about she. We also use does for he and it. And in the short answer, does or doesn't. These are simple yes-no questions. The answer is always yes or no. Sometimes we need more information. For example, what time do I have dinner? At 7:30. Here are 3 more questions. Do you know what the missing word is? Read the question, read the answer, and see if you can guess the missing word. Let's see what the missing words are. Where do I have dinner? At home. Why do I have dinner? Because I am hungry. And how often do I have dinner? Every day. Remember that question words always go at the beginning of the sentence. So our formula for WH questions is question word plus auxiliary plus subject plus infinitive of the verb. So Let's do a quick recap. To make a question in the present simple, we need an auxiliary, do or does, the subject, I, you, we, you, plural, or they with do, and he, she, it with does. Our verb, and then we have a simple yes/no question. If we need more information, we can use a question word which goes at the beginning of the question. For example, where, when, why. Remember to bring any questions you have about questions to class.